Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 key battery. First, identify your specific key fob model. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is easy to do at home. To begin, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. Now, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. There's usually a small slot where you can insert the screwdriver to gently separate them without causing damage. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Gently pry it out of its holder using the screwdriver, being careful not to damage the contacts. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap shut. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Finally, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your BMW X3, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.